Okay, and we're back. Sorry, there was a little bit of a technical hiccup. So, we're gonna just try and freaking watch. So, we got Jalen Hurts handing off to. Is that Sanders? That is still Sanders. Okay. Now, honestly, if there's one thing about this football team that I am kind of interested in, is the fact that it has all considered a pretty decent defense. Alright, Jalen Hurts drops back a little bit, throws, and they're not going to get the first. So it's going to be 3-4. And Jalen Hurts, I think, is going to be a decent quarterback. Don't know if I would have started him right away this in the year of our Lord 2020, but I think he's not a problem. I think the Eagles are going to have much more focus on like maybe some actual wide receivers for him to throw to would be a nice change of pace instead of just trading them and watching them become better in other teams. And they're going to get the first. Come on, guys. I'm not paying you to lounge around out there. Alright, so Jalen's gonna drop back. It's gonna take forever. Oh, oh, oh. See, we're almost getting the pressure down, but I don't like almost. And it looks like they're gonna get a touchdown here. Then again, everyone thought the Seahawks were gonna get a touchdown, and Malcolm Butler picked them off. So you just never know these days. So it looks like I would hope that they would run a play though. Come on, they gotta run the ball there. Oh wow. Okay. Defense made a good stop. Good stop. Good stop. Okay, so now it's gonna be second and goal from the 4-yard line. Oh, oh, another goal line stand. Dot. You know what? Okay, let's see if they can do a real goal line stand now. Wow, they you let a touchdown get. Wow, that is depressing. Well, I think after watching our defense get purposely spanked, fast, and we're gonna let's go to the end of the game. So yeah, what we saw wasn't great, and don't know why I had in my head that we could win, but you know, we got points on the board. We got both a touchdown, a field goal, and another touchdown. But it's not gonna be quite enough. We did end up keeping it close, but not close enough. Ron Rivera is gonna lose his debut. I'm gonna lose my debut as GM, and hopefully everyone gets fired at the end of the season. No, I'm kidding. Not gonna let Riverboat Ron go that easy. At least now we'll have a 70 overall cornerback. We're gonna upgrade a man to man because that's a scheme fit. And let's see how many years it's been in the league. Because a 70, yeah, 28 years old is not gonna work. But it's only 24. He's been 2 years. He might become a halfway decent cornerback. No big play slay, but what can you do, eh? So we're gonna advance to next week. And I'm not sure if we're gonna watch too many other games in this season because I have a feeling that it's just gonna be either us getting pantsed or us unable to keep it close. So let's upgrade some players. We got an upgrade for Chase Young already. Don't mind if I do. Oh, he's still a rookie for development. Well, imagine he's going to be the one with the big pick. Now, let us look at our roster. Yeah, Scary Terry's one better unsung receiver. Taylor Heineke and Kyle Allen are our choices at quarterback. Let's see what we can do anything about that. Antonio Gibson, he's pretty okay. JD McKissick as backup. Could do worse. Wide receiver, we obviously know the story is pretty decent. Logan Thomas is our primary tight end. Left tackle is horrible. Guard is just garbage. Center is actually halfway decent. That's a shocker. Right guard, okay. Boy, boy, there we go. And the right tackle doesn't actually make me want to cry. So, mostly going to be focusing on the left side of the offense and quarterback. So, we're going to see what we can scrounge up for free agent. Ooh, Casey Hayward. We don't need a cornerback. We need a quarterback. And quarter, not corner. Quarter, not corner. And I'm going the wrong menu. Good job, Aaron. Quarterback. Matt Moore's the best quarterback. Um, Josh Allen, Chad Henne. I mean, we could always go for a little bit of Paxton Lynch. This is depressing. I am depressed at that. Okay, well, you know what? I really don't want to trade for a quarterback. Uh, Even for a trade block, would I really be getting much more better than if I just have some patience and I'm going in the wrong menu again? That's probably going to happen a lot. So, left tackle, anything of note? Ah, well, because this one's not pennant, he's probably going to retire this year. And I'm not paying 300.17 million for someone who's just going to retire this year. And everyone else is pretty much the same, so we're kind of stuck there. And left guard's not much better. And flippin' tastic. You know, I say that first year of these rebuilds is always the hardest for trying to find like diamonds in the rough talent because not a lot of like rookies are in the league, so like the auto gen like rookies, not what I meant. There isn't enough of an influx of rookies for there to be, and we lost the Cardinals. Yeah, then looks like we're going to give an upgrade here to Antonio Gibson, making him not an 80 overall. Not my fault. He's a rookie, so at a 79 for a rookie, like I was thinking he was in. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know much about the Washington football team. Maybe it would have been more interesting for me to play the Packers, but then we would have just won 5 Super Bowls and went home. So, Didn't think that'd be interesting. I try and get him to be more in line with what our team is looking for here. So hopefully we can get him there. I do have a 21-21 draft class to import, so we're gonna be rocking it. I mean, of course we scout him and we put him on a board. Doubt we're gonna get him, but maybe the best we get a nice left tackle out of it. Yeah, no. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this week, guys. Oh, hold on. I want to see what the new injury is before I go. Let's see. Our defensive tackle is out with a PCL. Oh, I hate PCL tears because you can't freaking trade them. You can't freaking let them go. You're basically stuck with them 41 weeks. And Scary Terry's out for 5 weeks. Well, that's a pretty much done season right there. Not too concerned or worried about these guys, but that that scares me. So on that lovely note, I will see you guys all next week. Enjoy yourselves. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Share it with your friends. Please help me beat the YouTube algorithm. I know there's 13 of you. Y'all could at least share it on something. Twitter, Instagram, OnlyFans, whatever you got. Share it. Please. Thank you. Adios.